The sky darkens, the sea rages, and two sworn enemies finally meet. Thor, the god of thunder, stands with Mjolnir in hand. Before him, JÖRMUNGANDR, the world serpent that coils around Midgard. Lightning strikes. Thor leaps forward, hammering the serpent again and again. But JÖRMUNGANDR strikes back with deadly venom. The battle shakes all realms. Thor finally slays the great serpent, but only manages to take 9 steps before falling from its poison. Two of the mightiest beings destroy each other. Follow and get ready for Part 6, the death and rebirth of the world.